Welcome to Wells Quick Tips and Trick YouTube cooking channel, and today I'm come up with bittergourd, or we say it karela. So this is like quarter kg of karela which I purchased, and I will show you how to fry it easy way. This is our favorite, so I wanted to share with you all, and it's very quick, tasty. Sometimes we say bitter gourd, we don't want because it's bitter, but I will show you how you can enjoy this with your dal, rice. It goes very well. So first thing, we have to clean this, just clean this all outer part. Some eat this also directly, but the best thing is to scrape all this out. And whenever you buy the tender one. I'm sure once you eat this way, you will love it. And then you cut this. And open it up this way. And take out the seeds. I have many ways to fry, so I will show you. This is the first style, or what I do. I will show you this, and coming up I will show you in other way also. So slice this thinner. So we'll have to do the same thing for the other one. So now this is done. Now we will apply for this salt and lime juice. This salt and lime juice, around 1 tablespoon of lime juice, and then mix all this very nicely. And now we will apply my mom used to fry this way, and that time I used to not relish that much, but then lately I just relish it so much, like we relish, my full family actually. So haldi powder half teaspoon, turmeric powder 1 teaspoon, red chili powder I'm using Kashmiri 1 teaspoon. That's it. This is what is the masala, that is basic masala what we all are having, and you mix this nicely and marinate this for around 30 minutes. Better to marinate this for 30 minutes, and then we will fry this. So now after 30 minutes, take 1 tablespoon of oil, big tablespoon of oil, 1 tablespoon, because we have to fry this crispy. And you will then, once you do this recipe, you will say, yes, it's a nice recipe to go with dal rice. I can just munch it when I'm sitting actually. It's our favorite. Our daughter, hubby, we all love this very much. So at least once a week I make this in our house. Once a week I do this because I just love it. So now let's put this and fry this. high flame because it gets cooked very fast, but only we need a crispy. So now we'll turn this all. So just turn this all, or you can like fry this way, because one side it is done. Now the other side we have to do. You can turn one by one also, or you can just do how I am doing. And so here my karelas are fried, it's crispy and nicely done. I will remove it out on the plate. So here it is, simple but yet delicious, and it's very tasty. It is, I can just eat like this only. Try this recipe and it's nice. Thank you so much. Thank you.